Hmm. Good morning, my dear students. I want to discuss about the problems about the electrostatics chapter. Now, how to solve that is the different types of problems. That is the one problem. Now see here. Yes, in March 2015. In March 2015, that is 2 point charges plus 1 nanocoulomb and minus 4 nanocoulomb. 2 point charges, that is plus 1 nanocoulomb and minus 4 nanocoulomb are 1 meter apart in air. Find the positions along line joining the two charges. Along line joining the two charges at which resultant potential is 0. It means 0 potential point you have to find out. Now it is the problem, it is asked in the examination, that is in March 2015. Yes. Now see here, I want to solve this problem. Solution. What are the given values that you have to find out first? You have to write down. 2 point charges plus 1 nanocoulomb and minus 4 nanocoulomb. This is the positive charge. It is a Q1 plus 1 nanocoulomb. Now this is the negative charge, Q2 minus 4 nanocoulomb. Now apart at the distance, what is the distance here? That is along this one 1 meter. 1 meter is the distance between the two charges. Yes. Now you have to find out the 0 potential point. Now this is point A, this is the point B. Now P is the 0 potential point at distance x from Q1. The remaining is 1 minus x. When you got 0 potential point, you got the 0 potential point only when one of the charge is positive, another charge is negative. Otherwise, you do not get, that is the 0 potential point. One positive irrelevant, one negative charge irrelevant. Andre matra 0 potential point barata, illa 0 potential point baralla. Iga ಎರಡು ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ, 0 ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. 0 ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ 2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, 3-4 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3-4 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, 2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಎಸ್. ನೌ ಸಿ first you have to find out this, the let P is the point. P is 0 potential point. 0 potential point. P is the 0 potential point at distance x. At this point, potential due to this one is V1. Potential at P due to Q1 is P1. And potential at P due to Q2 is P2. Now P1 plus P2 is equal to 0 at P. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. Now P1 is equal to minus V2. What is the electric potential at a point? The formula 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. P is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r. Yes, now potential at point P due to the charge q1, this is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 divided by x is equal to minus of P2, electric potential at this point due to this charge, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 divided by remaining it is 1 minus x here. Okay. Now 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now it is cancelled. This is q1 upon x. What is q1? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by x is equal to, because really yes, this is q1 is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by x is equal to minus of q2 is minus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by, that is 1 minus x. 10 raised to minus 9, 10 raised to minus 9 is cancelled now. 1 upon x is equal to 4 divided by 1 minus x. 4 divided by 1 minus x. Yes, cross multiplication, 1 minus x is equal to, that is you take 4x, cross multiplication. Yes, now 1 is equal to 4x plus x. 1 is equal to 5x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 divided by 5 meter. That is, therefore x is equal to 0.2 meter. Means one of the point, zero potential point at a distance 0.2 meter from the q1. Now here the zero potential point at P due to q1 is at distance 0.2 meter. Idu one position alla. What is the ask in the problem? You take this positions. Positions it means plural. Plurals it means two points you got. Only you got position, you calculate this much only. Positions, again you take this is, there are 2 points. And so one of the point, another point where you got zero potential point, ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? Zero potential point exactly at the middle of the two charges, on the line joining the two charges. Middle ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು -4 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು +4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದು 1 ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು 4 ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಚಿಕ್ಕದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0.2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ 1 ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ 0.2 ಮೀಟರ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0.8 meter. Okay, and this zero potential point between two charges. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇದು between two charges. Now another zero potential point beyond smaller charge, beyond the smaller charge. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಏನು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ q1 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? +1 ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಎಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, that is the q2 is equal to -4 ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಕೂಲಂಬ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ x here. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟೂ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಬಂದದ ಇದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಲೆಟ್ P is zero potential point. P is zero potential point, and potential at P due to potential at P due to Q1 is P1. Similarly, potential at P due to Q2 is P2. Now V1 plus V2, P1 plus V2 is equal to 0 at P. Therefore, P1 is equal to minus V2. P1 is equal to minus V2. ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by X ಬರೆಯೋಣ. In remaining ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು minus of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by X. Q2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನಿಂದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ವರೆಗೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by 1 plus X. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus X ಇರುವ 1 plus X. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸರಿ, Q1 upon X ಉಳಿತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ Q2 upon 1 plus X ಉಳಿತು. ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ Q1 is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 by X is equal to minus of minus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by 1 plus X. ಇವಾಗ 10 raised to minus 9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ. ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು 1 by X is equal to, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by X is equal to minus minus plus ಆಯಿತು 4 divided by 1 plus X. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus X is equal to 4X. Then 1 is equal to 4X minus X. 4X minus X. Now 4X minus X ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 is equal to, it is a 3X. What do you want the answer here? X is equal to 1 by 3 or X is equal to 0.333 meter. You got the answer. How many zero potential points are there here? There are 2 zero potential points. Zero potential point, one of the point between the two charges. Zero potential point ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಜೀರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ. ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಜೀರೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, there are two positions. One is electric potential at point P in between the two charges is potential is 0 at a distance 0.2 meter between the two charges, one point. Another point is at a distance 0.33 meter from the 1 nanocoulomb Q1 away from this charge. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. There are 2 zero potential point. Here in the problem asked, that is positions. Positions, it means you have to calculate. There are 2 points. This is about, that is one problem. Next you take the another problem. Next one, yes, That is June 2015. June 2015. June 2015. What is that problem? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 2 meter. Of side 2 meter. Point charges of 5 nanocoulomb, 10 nanocoulomb and -5 nanocoulomb are placed corners A, B, C respectively. Calculate the work done in transferring a charge of 5 microcoulomb from D2 the point of intersection of diagonals. Yes, it is a problem. How many charges are given here? There are 3 charges. 5 nanocoulomb, 10 nanocoulomb, -5 nanocoulomb are placed at the corners of A, B, C, D. Yes, this is the square of side. What you got here? 2 meter. Of side 2 meter. Yes, here charge is, this is A, this is a B, this one C, this is the D. Here I have to take Q1. Q1 is 5 nanocoulomb. At point B, charge you have to take, that is 10 nanocoulomb. At a point C, that you have to take Q3 is -5 nanocoulomb. Okay, 5 nanocoulomb. Now we take the diagonals here. Find diagonals. First you have to find out the diagonals. Yes. What do you have to find out first here? What is the transferring charge here? 5 microcoulomb. 5 microcoulomb is moved from D to O, intersection of the 2 diagonals. You have to find out, what have to find out here? You have to find out PO, question mark, PD, question mark, potential difference, you have to calculate. Then you calculate what is the work. Okay. Now see here. Now this is the diagonal AC is equal to BD is equal to under root of, directly how to calculate. 2 square plus 2 square is equal to root of 4 plus 4. Yes. Now it is 2 into 4. What you got here? 2 root 2 meter. You got 2 root 2 meter. Then you have to find this one. You got AC, this one, AC, BD, diagonals. Then OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to, this is AC by 2. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 2. This is equal to what you got? Root 2 meter. Root 2 meter. What is the electric potential at any point with the distance 1/4πε0 Q divided by R. You have to find out the electric potential at this point and at this point. First you have to find out at this point. electric potential at O due to Q1, Q1, Q2 and Q3, that is VO is equal to ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 1/4 ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1/4 Q1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1/4 ಬದಲೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, 1/4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ OA. This is OA, Q1 divided by OA plus Q2 divided by OB, then plus Q3 divided by OC, Q3 divided by OC. Once again I repeat here, 1/4 is common for all the terms here. 1/4 ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೊದಲ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ P0, that is the VO is equal to, this is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into bracket. OA, OB, OC, these are equal here. Q1, what is the Q1 here? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by OA is √2 plus Q2 10 nanocoulomb, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by √2. You got this is minus Q3. Q3 is minus, that is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by √2. Okay, now PO is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 divided by √2. √2 is common, 10 to the power of minus 9 is also common. 10 raised to minus 9 is common in all the terms. Then √2 is also common. √2 kuda common. Yes, now remaining is 5 plus 10 minus 5. Yes, 5 cancel here. Okay, 5 is cancelled. PO is equal to 10 raised to minus 9, 10 raised to plus 9. It is a cancel now. Yes, 9 into remaining it is 10 divided by √2. 90 divided by √2 is 1.414. You calculate it with the help of, that is a calculator. You got the answer here, that is 31.825 volt. You got the answer. It is the electric potential at point this is 63. You got 63. You calculate it yourself, 0.65 volt, round up value. Okay, now this is the electric potential at point O, 63.665 volt. You got this. Yes, now you have, similarly you have to find out electric potential at D due to Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1, Q2 and Q3, that is VD is equal to 1/4 is common here. Q1 divided by AD, Q1 divided by AD plus Q2 divided by BD, Q2 divided by BD plus Q3 divided by CD. Once again I take here 1/4 is common here. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, that is BD is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇದು. Yes, into bracket Q1 is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by AD is 2 plus Q2 is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by Q2. This is 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2 and minus, what you got here, minus 10 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by 2u. You get like this. Okay, fine. Now this is VD is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of minus 9, 2 divided by 2. 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 2 is common here. This is 5 plus 10 by root 2 minus, you got 10 here. Sorry, I think it is 5. Sorry, it is 5. 5. This is a 5. Okay. Now it is cancelled now. TD is equal to 10 raised to plus 9, 10 raised to minus 9. Cancel. 9 divided by 2 into 10 divided by root 2. Yes, VD is equal to 90 divided by 2 into 1.414. You calculate it. That answer you got half of that value. You calculate with the help of calculator. 31 point PD is equal to 31.825 what you got. You calculate yourself. Okay, 31.825. Then work done. Potential difference. dV is equal to PO minus VD. PO is the higher potential point. VD is the lower potential point. Potential difference dV is PO minus VD. Work done, that is dW is equal to dV into Q. Potential difference into charge. Calculate ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. 27 about 28 minutes ಇದ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ dV ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, VO minus VD, PO minus VD into Q. Yes, fine. PO is, that is 63.65 minus 31.825 into, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾವ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕೂಲಮ್, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 63.65 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬೆಲೆ 31.825 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 31.825 ಬರುತ್ತೆ into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. What is your answer? That answer you got 159.125 into 10 to the power of minus 6 joule ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 159.125 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Finally, how to write the answer? That is the work done is 1.59125 into 10 to the power of minus 4 joule ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Work done, once again I have to write here that work done you got answer is 1.59125 into 10 to the power of minus 4 joule work. This is the final answer. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಲೆಂಗ್ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಇದು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. How many students are joined here?